morning, guys. I am just on my way to see Lisa at Pretty Healthy. Lisa is my beauty therapist, so she does like my facials. When I get lash extensions, that's where I go, and she also does my brows, and I get lash lifts and stuff. So today I am getting my eyebrows henna tinted, which if you guys haven't heard about henna tinting, it's like normal brow tinting but on crack. I just burped, excuse me. Yeah, you probably shouldn't have gone. But yeah, anyway, so I'm going to go have a lash lift today instead of extensions for Christmas, because I'm just really vibing with my strip lashes at the moment. And a lash lift is like a perm for your natural eyelashes. So naturally I have quite thick, and I have kind of longish lashes, I guess. They're not crazy long, but they're longish, but they point directly down. So instead of like having eyelashes that go up like this, they point straight down. It's the most annoying thing ever. And when I haven't had a lash lift in ages and I wear strip lashes, you can actually see my natural lash pointing directly down and my strip lash curling up. It's so funny. It's so annoying as well. So we're gonna go fix that. There is no park, so I should have parked back there. Dang it. That's a driveway. Oh man. Oh man. Go around the roundabout and park across the road. You're not gonna go? Okay. No worries. It's supposed to give way to you, but alright. People can't drive. So it's starting to rain. It's been like 3 days of rainy overcast weather, which I actually don't mind when it's during the week. Especially at night time when it like thunders and there's lightning. It's the best ever. But if I'm inside, I love it. If I'm outside or if I have to walk around anywhere and there's thunder and lightning, I really shit my pants. Because so as most of you know, my dad is a funeral director. He's an undertaker, and back when we lived in Victoria, I don't know whether it was dad or one of his colleagues or like the firm he worked for, but there was a young girl whose parents were late from picking her up from school, and she was waiting out the front of her school in a storm for her parents, and she was struck by lightning and killed. So I like just forever have that embedded in my brain. So when there is a storm, I'm inside. And I'm like one of those people, like I won't talk on the phone when there's lightning and stuff. I'm like, no, can't talk on a fixed line. I might get electrocuted. Gotta go. Bye. Your conversation isn't worth risking my life. Sorry. Hopefully this park's still here. Yay, it is. I should have just parked here in the first place. Don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see. Oh, it's really bright when I stick my face in the sunlight. So as you guys can see, my lashes are just like pointing straight down. They are like, I hope you guys can see, they just point straight down. Like literally like this. So we're gonna get them curled, girl. I'm so excited. Alright guys, so here is the after. Now as I said, my brows are very bold right now, but they will calm down once I wash my face tomorrow. You're not supposed to wash like your eyelashes or the henna on your brows for 24 hours after getting it done. So that's what it looks like now. Looking really bold, and I'm not mad about it. Like I wouldn't mind if my brows look like this all the time. Like I'm not gonna lie, I really like a really bold brow, but I got a really exciting package in the mail, and there's a present in it for the puppies. Actually, I got 2 packages for the puppies, and I want to unbox the package with the dogs now. So let me just get that. Can you come hop in your doggy bed? Hop in here. You too, Mimi. They might really hate this present. We got a present in the mail from one of our favorite brands, from Loving Tan. Look at this. So inside the box we have a little card from Loving Tan. They sent Mummy a new pair of Christmas pajamas. They're so cute. They're summer ones, so they're little shorts and a little singlet top. And they also sent Mummy some of her favorite fake tan. This is all Mummy uses, doesn't she? And they sent Lily and Mimi a little present and their little reindeer ears. Can I put them on you? Let Mum put it on your head. You think it's a chew toy? Let me try put it on your head. That's one. Oh, now ready? Go for the other ear through it. Oh my gosh. Lily, you look so beautiful. Can you not see her? Maybe you can hold her the way so they can see Lily. I don't think I've got it tied up around your neck, but I don't want to do it too tight on my little baby. Pull your ears through. Oh, what's it do? You don't like it? What about Mimi? I wonder if I can get Mimi's on hers. Mia's got a really little head. This might still be too big for her even on the smallest. Oh, I think it will be. Here, let Mum put it on. Good girl. Oh, even this tightest hole is too big for Mimi's little head. Oh, my little reindeers. Stay there, leave it on. I just gotta give them a close up. Oh my gosh, baby girl. I wish it would stay on your head. Do you want to use it as a chew toy? Oh, what a shame it wouldn't stay on your little head. It's okay. You don't have to wear it. It doesn't even fit Mimi's head. Oh. Yeah, so I think we might get another storm tonight. Hey, Mimi. Oh, yeah, she's windy. Oh, she's a bit stormy out there. Are we going to get another storm, Lil? Should we start getting some dinner ready? Oh, see the curtains are going crazy in the wind. Grass is nice and green, at least from all this rain. But I'm going to start getting some dinner prepped. I have the news on in the background. Sorry if you guys can hear it, but I just want to listen to it. I'll show you guys what meal we're making tonight. So we're going to make the Asian chicken tacos, but I'm kind of going to deviate from their recipe recommendations a little bit. Just because, like, guys, the HelloFresh instructions are literally just, they're insane. They're so overcomplicated when I just don't think it needs to be this complicated. So I'm just gonna take the ingredients and kind of do my own thing, I think. Okay, so I have my little tortilla. Now it says to get some of the mayo and spread it around the tortilla. I'm gonna do a generous amount because I like mayo like that. And get some of the slaw and chicken mixture. And put some cucumber. Smells good. And now is the moment of truth if it actually tastes good. Oh, that's really good.
Is it?
I'm glad I hated it got the coleslaw. in the pot with the chicken. I'm glad I did that.
Why?
Because it was too crunchy.
Oh.
That's really tasty. Mmm. Delicious. Oh my god. The storm's about to hit. There's heaps of lightning out there.
It sounds wild.
I could see it coming from that way. I keep seeing flickers of lightning. Oh wow, it's really good.
Coca-Cola?
Mm-hmm. Okay, HelloFresh, so I feel like I didn't follow their instructions, which made it 10 times easier to cook. It wasn't actually that much fussing around. If I had followed their instructions, I think it would have been a pain in the ass, but the actual recipe itself, holy shit, tastes so good. So if you guys are gonna get HelloFresh, I do recommend this one, it's tasty. Love to see what Brett's verdict is.
Mmm.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
You like it too?
Mm-hmm.
Is there a storm about to hit Lily? We just want attention. She doesn't get scared of storms, Mia does though. I might just sit this here and see if we can catch some lightning, except it's very windy so I can't leave the door open. Whoa. Ooh, some lightning. The sun's come out now. Ooh. Mimi. Let's sit and watch the storm. Mia's like, let's run and fucking hide. I'm gonna go cuddle my babies and watch this storm. I'll see you guys tomorrow.